Oh shit. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Sosabliminal. Actually, nah, let's redo that one more time. Here we go. Oh fuck, I can't do that. There's a lot of people over here. Okay, here we go. What's popping, YouTube? Hey, y'all. Let's just do the intro in here. Alright, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Sosabliminal, back at it again with another video. Actually, let's say something else for the one time. Alright, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your boy Sosabliminal, also known as Sosa. Alright, but today we got some big news for you guys, for my little Sosa gang, my little Sosa fam. You feel me? We got a package in the mail today, and it is my camera. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Canon G7X Mark II. So let's stop all that bullshit talking. Hold on. Normal packaging came from FedEx. I'm actually really excited. I've been wanting this camera for the literally longest of ages. But I didn't get just the camera, guys. Knowing me, doing the most extraness, I had to get I had to get all of the equipment. So look, we got the Gorilla tripod. You see what it is. We got the 64. Hold on. The 64 gigabyte disc card. You see what it is. Hold on. We got a micro USB to HDMI. No, micro USB to USB wire for your camera. Just some paperwork, like a receipt telling you what you got going on in here, like the items listed. Let's put that on the side. We got, ooh, yes sir. I wanted one of these. I was gonna buy one, but I guess it came with it. I didn't even know, because they didn't show in the picture. But I think there's something inside here too. It's let me see. It's the bag that you can carry the actual camera in. Let's put that right there. We got a. Seems to be a digital reader writer. Looks like a USB drive. I guess you can put an SD card. Okay, so you plug in this into like a computer. You can't do it on my computer because it's a MacBook Air or whatever, but because there's no USB ports. But then you put your SD card inside there, so that's cool. It's like an adapter. Yes. And then we got a starter kit, professional DSLR video camera. What is this? So it's like a bunch of Q-tips. You got the Q-tips. You got the spray and the cloth, and I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it says right here. We got the cleaning cloth, 5 pieces of cotton swabs, lens cleaning fluid, 3 universal screen protectors, mini tabletop tripod. Is that in here? And a limited lifetime warranty. I'm not sure what that's for, but that's that. We got a SD card holder, little pocket holder, you know what I'm saying? We got a like duster to like clean your viewfinder or whatever. See that? Let's open that up for y'all so you can just see what that is. I think I've seen a YouTube video on this. I guess you just like push it down that way and just like look at that motherfucker. Right? And then I'm not sure what this is. I think that's the cleaner also. But yeah, that's your little cleaning utensil. And then the last item that it comes with is a rechargeable battery. Oh yes sir. Comes with an extra battery. So okay, just fell out of the freaking plastic, but it comes with an extra battery. Yeah, let's put them on the side. That's all the items that it comes with the package. Now let's get right into the freaking main. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let's get into the main course, baby. Yes sir. The G7X Mark II. Dude, I literally can't believe I actually got it. I can't believe it, dude. I worked so hard for this. You don't even know it. Like, I've worked so much hard. I've worked so hard for like putting everything together, like all the stuff that I need to become like a YouTuber starter kit. Like I got the MacBook, the freaking like the whole setup, like everything. Dude, like this is like literally a little dream come true. We got a little starter kit, alright, you know what I'm saying? A little starter kit. Let's put this over here. As soon as you open the box, you got this going on, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, the camera, let's put that to the side. We got another, this is a Canon battery, so this is the good one. Canon rechargeable battery, and then your battery charger, like to the wall adapter, and then a little lanyard to carry your camera. So that's all that's inside the box. Make sure you guys stick around so we can get so we can do a little what do you call? We can do a video test and a photo test for you guys. So stick around so we can get that for y'all. All right. As we move on to the camera, I'm so scared to do this, bro. Whoa. You don't even know how nervous I am. How like, bro, what? Look at this. Hold on, let's give it a little good what do you call it? Look around. These are the buttons on top. We got the LED screen on the back. Touch, by the way. Some more buttons on the back. On the bottom, where the battery and the SD card goes. You can mount your tripod there. And this is where that little lanyard goes. Dude, let's immediately turn this bad boy on. But first, I want to do this. Oh shit, dude! Literally, I'm gonna like, welcome guys to my channel. It's your boy Sosabliminal. I get it again. Oh my god, it feels expensive as fuck. Literally, when you buy one of these, make sure you take care of this. But let's go ahead and pop this baby in the battery. All you gotta do is like any other Canon or any other camera, you're just gonna see at the bottom. Hold on. See that little latch is gonna push that open, and you're gonna put it. These little gold line pieces are lined up with that. The line of gold pieces in there. This is a 64 gig. We're definitely gonna need more. So donate $1 because I'm not gonna eat after this video. I'm not gonna go anywhere after this video because it's an expensive product. Okay, so if you can just drop $1, you guys gonna feed me. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and enter the SD card. I'm pretty sure it's this way. All right, here y'all go. For the freaking first time ever. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the freaking end came, the lens came out and everything. So as soon as you open it, as soon as you turn it on, it's gonna ask you for a date and time or whatever. So let's just go ahead and put. Oh my god, I can't even think right now. All right, yeah. Should we skip this? No, let's not skip this. So here it goes, guys. Ooh. So we're gonna go ahead and flip. Did I do that right? Okay. Let's go ahead and flip. Fuck, dude, I don't even know what to do. Let's go ahead and put it on record. Let's just click. Hold on, let me see. Make sure I'm doing this right. So just. Okay, so this is the first test with the Canon G7X Mark II. I'm putting it side to side. This is literally what I record on. I record on my MacBook. What the hell? I record on my iPhone with the ring light. It's not focusing. Please focus. I'm returning it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, and yeah, this is how my videos are gonna be looking now. And oh my god, dude, this is literally the best thing ever. What the fuck? Whoa, a little too HD for me. Okay, but dude, literally, bro, this is so nice. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm in love. But dude, the vlogs are about to be lit. I'm about to add on. These are all the freaking all the things that it comes with. Like I was saying, the tripod, all of that good stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and give you some video tests for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside my room with like normal lighting or whatever. But let's go ahead and go outside and see what that looks like. Hold on. This is like bathroom lighting or whatever. Let's go downstairs. But yeah. Oh shit. Let's gotta fix the lighting. Oh my god. We're just doing a little test right now, so it's nothing biggie. Just doing a little walk around the complex. I want to know what some of the buttons do. So like, what does this do? I'm not sure what that does. We'll see in a sec. Get a good view of a freaking place or whatever. I heard the audio, and it's not that bad. Let's see if we can focus. Okay, let me go inside. And click the focus button. Yeah, I get it. Official YouTuber. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get that outro for y'all, because we got things to do. All right, how do I stop this? Oh. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Sosabliminal, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for sticking around. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the camera, like little unboxing thing. I hope you guys enjoy like the new like look for my camera or whatever, or like videos. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys keep hitting that subscribe button. We're gonna reach the 390 subscribers. So yeah, at 300, I'm probably gonna eat like 3 egg yolks, which is probably gonna make me sick to my stomach. But without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep doing what you guys doing, showing that love. You know what I'm saying? And sorry if I keep looking, if it looks like I keep looking up, it's because I keep looking at myself at the viewfinder or whatever. But again, like, comment, subscribe. You guys are the best. And yeah, these videos are about to be lit now. Let's get it. See you.